What if I told you that a new AI has entered the race and is making even the biggest names, ChatGPT and DeepSeek, look over their shoulders? Meet Qwen, an AI developed by Alibaba, and it's already shaking up the competition. But here's the real question. Does it have what it takes to outshine the AI giants we've come to rely on? In a world where AI is evolving at an insane pace, one tool can dominate today and become outdated tomorrow. Just months ago, ChatGPT seemed unbeatable. Then came DeepSeek, an AI boasting powerful reasoning and efficiency. But now, Qwen is here, and it's not just another AI. It's backed by one of the most influential tech companies in the world. What makes it special? And more importantly, is it truly superior? To understand how Qwen stands out, let's first consider the biggest challenges AI models struggle with today. Can AI deliver correct information right now, rather than just relying on outdated training data? AI models sometimes fail spectacularly at simple logical tasks. Some AI models lack a natural, human-like conversation flow and sound too robotic. AI models have become incredibly powerful, but they struggle with consistency, real-time accuracy, and reasoning. We've all seen AI generate near perfect responses, only to then contradict itself moments later. This is where Qwen promises a new level of problem solving, claiming to bridge this gap. But does it actually deliver on that promise? Alibaba's Qwen is built to tackle some of the biggest limitations of ChatGPT and DeepSeek. While ChatGPT excels in conversational flow and DeepSeek in logical reasoning, Qwen is engineered to combine both strengths while improving factual accuracy. It is designed to be more factually accurate while maintaining clarity. It's designed to understand nuanced queries, process complex information more reliably, and reduce the errors that often plague other AI models. But here's where things get interesting. Qwen isn't just trained differently. It has a unique approach to language understanding that sets it apart. Unlike ChatGPT, which fine-tunes responses based on past conversations, Qwen actively predicts and refines its responses in real time. DeepSeek, on the other hand, focuses on structured reasoning, making it great for problem solving, but sometimes a little stiff in conversation. Qwen, in contrast, balances deep reasoning with a more natural intuitive dialogue style. But does this really make it the best AI model? Imagine you ask ChatGPT to generate a detailed report on a niche scientific topic. It might give you highly detailed, well-written, structured, and an impressive response. But there's a chance some facts will be outdated or slightly misrepresented. DeepSeek, known for its structured logic, might do better, but it sometimes struggles with making the response sound natural and engaging. Qwen, however, is engineered to pull from a broader and more current dataset while maintaining clarity, factual accuracy, and coherence. This means it could generate not only factually accurate responses, but also contextually relevant ones. But here's where things get really unexpected. Unlike its competitors, Qwen is designed to learn from real-time interactions in a way that mimics human intuition. Instead of just guessing an answer, Qwen analyzes patterns, contextual clues, and probability to refine its answer dynamically. It's like having an AI that learns with you rather than just responding to you. This means better contextual understanding, and fewer contradictory responses compared to ChatGPT and DeepSeek. This is where Qwen truly differentiates itself. It's not just a conversational AI, it's a multifunctional powerhouse. In video and image generation, Qwen can generate high-quality videos and images on demand as compared to OpenAI's Sora and Midjourney AI. In data extraction from PDFs and documents, you can upload documents and Qwen will extract key insights instantly. For AI-assisted coding and debugging, like ChatGPT, but with improved code generation and real-time bug fixes. It supports multiple programming languages and has a live code execution feature. So, does this mean Qwen has officially outclassed ChatGPT and DeepSeek? Not so fast. While its advancements are impressive, it's still new, meaning real-world testing will ultimately determine its effectiveness. AI dominance isn't just about intelligence, it's about adaptability. Right now, ChatGPT has the advantage of a massive user base and continuous updates. DeepSeek, with its strong reasoning, is preferred in specialized fields. Qwen, though powerful, still has to prove that it can outperform both consistently. But is Qwen perfect? As promising as Qwen is, it still has its challenges, like limited real-world testing, potential accessibility issues, pricing uncertainty. So these are important factors to consider before making the switch. But here's the biggest takeaway. This AI battle is far from over. With every new model, AI is getting closer to human-like thinking. The real question isn't just whether Qwen is superior today, but what AI will look like tomorrow. Would you trust Qwen over ChatGPT? Or do you think DeepSeek has the upper hand? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to stay ahead of the AI revolution, make sure you're subscribed. This is just the beginning.